Two trays.
I think one is enough, Shirin.
Get two trays.
We will come again for snacks once and for dinner once. Two tray ഇവിടെ വരും. ശരി സ്നാക്സ് ഉണ്ട് ഡിന്നർ ഉണ്ട് ഓക്കെയാ നിന്റെ മുഖം നീയോ
First one. No, the. 나네 맞춰. Explain.
Mama, tarin na dash yung GoPro. Hi guys.
Hello.
First நம்ம வந்து இந்த wings சாப்பிட போகிறோம். I'm sorry that I'm sick. அதனால் என்னோட வாய்ஸ் இப்படி இருக்கு. But we're gonna taste this. This was $350. No,
$390.
$390. That was quite expensive. But we are super hungry. We did not have our breakfast.
And on. Tastes good.
Sauce?
Sauce?
Sauce? She needs sauce. Coffee and all the drinks here is like unlimited refill, so you can just get one and then get refills and drink how much ever you want. That's the like most favorite thing about Ikea for me. I drink like so many coffees. We drink so many coffees. It's good. This is my favorite dish from Ikea. This is the famous meatball with mashed potato.
Online.
She's going to refill, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna heat this and refill this coffee also.
We also got this plain white rice with chicken tikka masala. They look so yum. Every time I come to Ikea, I come just for the food and then furniture. The furniture here is also so cool. The last time I got for like 50k, so I'm not gonna get anything right now. And recently, I did my room makeover, so you guys can go check it out. There's a lot of Ikea product that I've used. You might like it.
How do I check? Back. Hello, I'm back.
전진이
Blueberry.
있는 게 잡는다는 거야.
Mass production. What is it? Finally, we have this croissant sandwich, chicken croissant sandwich. This is like Shirin's favorite dish. I like it like 7 on 10, but she likes it so much. Okay, it's like 8 on 10. Okay, we'll finish this and take you guys inside. Bye. Guys, like seriously, I think I'm gonna pass out. I'm not feeling well at heart. And my mom is not well. Guys, we have to like follow this. Only then you'll be able to see like everything. They have a small house like setup. So you have a room setup. You can just go in, visualize yourself, and in case if it's like you like this lamp, you just have to take picture of this and go down, show the picture, they'll get you that. It's just too cute. It's like you can just visualize living here, even though you're not gonna do it, but then it's fun. This is so cute. Look at it, guys. My god, I'm obsessed. Guys, do you remember this is my screen? Oh my god, they still have it. Mine was like 2 years old. Another thing is like every time you come, it's the same products that they have. It's kind of weird. I don't know if they like change or I don't know. I don't know who kept Nazar on us when she got sick.
Where is this?
This Nazar thing is like real annoying. Look at her, she was laughing and now she is.
Do they know why I'm sick?
How did you get sick, Sharon?
Homesick.
No.
Please sit down.
Sharon is cooking, guys.
Sharon played it there.
Angane kudi. He's visualizing Pro Max. Finally, there's this kids section, and then you're done. The place where we ate is here, and then afterwards you can go down and shop whichever you like. I want this guy's energy. Okay, so from here you can start your shopping. So this is the final exit. We have this area where all the furniture is kept. So if we show the picture of the furniture, they'll go and bring it for us. This place is kind of creepy, at the same time it's very cute. Final destination Kandakra. Gives final destination vibes. Yay, we're gonna bill ourselves. Start your order. Okay. No more. They have Swedish food market here. They have jam, cookies. They have all this healthy stuff. Got this chocolate mousse cake. Looks super yum. Shirin's still hungry, so we're gonna have a dinner. I don't know, I am full. I don't want to eat anything anymore, but here we are. We got this spring roll. This is veg. It's decent. We got chicken nuggets. This is actually very yummy. I've already tried it.
மார்னிங்லேருந்து நைட் வரைக்கும் கண்ணாடி அந்த மண்டையிலே இருந்து.
And then we got this yummy veg sandwich. There was no non-veg, got sold out. So yeah, this is our dinner, guys. I hope you liked this video. I don't know how it came. I was drowsy the whole time. Yeah.
Bye. If you're still watching this video, we are very thankful to you.
I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Sorry if I was too funny or the content was not good. Next time I'll do it better. See you guys in another video. Bye.